So it is my baby's first birthday 9 days from now, and she had a photo shoot, so I had to come up with a hairstyle. Based on the fact that her hair has been falling off lately and we are trying to get it back, so the hairstyle is going to be simple and easy, but beautiful though, because it's her birthday, so I have to give her something that looks good on a baby. I didn't get the inspo from anywhere. What inspired this hairstyle? It her front hair, based on the fact that it's been falling off, so I need to cover that place. I decided to do a center part and move it side to side. Well, you guys are going to see how everything turned out. I'm not even trying to do something so tedious because I know how she can get when she's overwhelmed, so I'm not trying to overwhelm her. So if your baby doesn't have edges and you want to try out a hairstyle for her, maybe you should try out this one to cover things up. You will love it. Basically, all I use for this hairstyle is gel and a spray bottle that has conditioner and water with a tail comb and a brush to slick it down, and of course the tiny black rubber band. I'm going to play music the remaining part of this video because I don't want to talk too much, so you guys will just stick around and watch the video to the end. And please do not forget to engage. When you engage, YouTube will show this video to more people. Like, comment and subscribe to the channel if you haven't. And also do not forget to wish my baby happy birthday in advance. Thank you. For the rubber band, make sure you apply an oil on it to give it some slip in order not to create tension on the hair.